रख दो इधर कहीं फंसा के रख दो, इधर ऊपर ऊपर So today I discussion about the semen quality in male poultry determined by combination of macroscopy and microscopy evaluation methods which assess physical characteristics of male sperm functions. So these parameters are directly correlated with fertility and hatchability rates. So macroscopy evaluation, there are 4 points depends upon microscopy evaluation. So visual inspections provides initial indicators of semen health. First is a volume. So this is a key quantitative trait. A typical ejaculate volume in the rosters ranges from 0.2 to 0.7 ml. So with larger volumes generally indicating better quality, and for there can vary by breeds. So second point is a color. Color means, so what are the colors? Healthy semen is normally thick and purely white or creamy white. So deviations such as yellow, green or reddish coloration indicate potential contaminated, as for example urine phases or blood infections or injury, and may result in the sample being discarded. So third is viscosity and consistency. So good quality semen is typically thick or medium thick. Very watery semen can indicate a low sperm count in dollar males. So fourth point is the pH. So the pH of fresh high quality semen is slightly alkaline, generally in the range of 6.8 to 7.8. Then microscopic evaluation. So microscopy evaluation depends upon eight points depends. So detailed analysis using the microscopy provides essential information. Using a microscope provides essential information on sperm function and structure. So sperm quality. So this measures the sperm's ability to move effectively. It is a critical indicator of fertility potential. Then second point, mass movement. A subjective score 1 to 5 scales of general sperm activity under low magnification. Then third is a progressive motility. The percentage of sperm moving forward in a straight line, which is essential for reaching the egg values of 70% or more, are considered optimal. Then 4 point, computer assisted semen analysis, CSA. So advanced system provide objective detailed data on various kinematic parameters including curvilinear velocity, VCL, so straight line velocity, VSL, and linearity. Then sperm concentration. So this refers to the number of sperm cells per millimeter of semen, typically measured using a hypohemocytometer or spectrophotometer. So high quality semen generally has a concentration of 3 to 8 billion spermatozoa per ml. So sperm viability, live or dead ratio. So assets using differential staining methods, as per example Ecosini rosin strain, where live intact membrane. So sperm repel the strain and dead or damaged sperm absorbed it. A high percentage of live sperm, over 80%, indicate good quality. Then sperm morphology or abnormality. So involves examining strain slides under a microscope to identify structural defect in the head, midpiece or tail, and abnormalities below 10% of generally acceptable for fertile semen. So sperm membrane integrity. So the function integrity of the sperm plasma membrane can be assessed using the hypoosmotic swelling test (HOST), where intact membranes cause the sperm tail to cool. When exposed to a hyposmotic solution, so the integrity of the acrosome cap can also be evaluated with specific strain like comessive brilliant blue. So advanced and predictive measures. So further assessment include biochemical test measuring level of various protein, enzymes and antioxidants in the seminal plasma can help identify biomarkers correlated with the fertility potential. Then second is the DNA integrity. So tests like the sperm chromatin dispersion SCD test can assess DNA fragmentation, which is a valuable indicator of male fertility potential. This is the quality semen maintained and how to microscopic measurement in quality semen procedure. This is the good quality of semen in males. थिक्की है, whitey है, and consistency is good. So this is the semen quality is pure and quality assist. This is the semen quality, highly effective semen.